Migration is given rise to by many factors. Some people run from their own countries because they are in danger, there's conflict and there's instability, and some become economic migrants. They come to a place where they think that it's an economic oasis, and so they will come. Now we are saying those who are not documented, those who do not have the proper permits and papers to be here, should not be here. So that's precisely the stance we've taken, and we've now gone to employers. Employers who employ undocumented migrants are the ones that were putting a lot of pressure.
ANC yaphila ibonile izwile futhi ngiye ngayihaga kamnandi ngayezwa ukuthi hayi futhumele hayi ngizwile ukuthi ifuthumele ANC la. So kubonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe lapha ngalesikhathi noma kubanda. Indaba ikagesi ushilo upremier wethu upanyapanya ngithi nyamazi yena ngimthandela into eyi-one ukuthi uma ethi uzoyenza into iyenzakala. So ubize uminister ukuthi bayibheke lento ye-load reduction. Lena akusi load shedding, i-load reduction. Uminister Sputla Ramokgopa utshilo ukuthi lapho kusasene-load reduction bazoyilungisa ngoba balungisele enkulu bathi load shedding.
President Cyril Ramaphosa stated that several African leaders have expressed understanding and in some cases support for South Africa's approach to managing undocumented migration as the country intensifies efforts to enforce immigration laws. Speaking on the sidelines of a voter registration drive in Atteridgeville, Pretoria on Sunday, Ramaphosa said he had personally engaged with a number of continental peers, while presidential envoys were set to visit other countries in the coming days as part of ongoing diplomatic discussions on migration, and said our peers, those I've spoken to directly or through our envoys, all say they understand the challenges we are facing. Ramaphosa said many African leaders view South Africa as a key destination for migration due to its relatively advanced economy, a reality likened to global migration patterns driven by economic opportunity, and said they say they understand that people from across the continent come to South Africa because it is seen as an economic oasis. You are the most developed economy on the continent and therefore you are attractive. Drawing a comparison with migration into the United States from Latin America, he said such movements were part of broader global economic dynamics. However, the president reiterated that South Africa's position remained clear. Only documented migrants should live and work in the country, and said we are saying only people who are documented should be here. Those who are not documented must regularize their status or leave. He added that enforcement of immigration laws would be strengthened, with government also targeting illegal employment practices that contribute to undocumented labor. He said they must come into the country through proper documented channels. We are also putting pressure on employers to ensure compliance. While stressing the need for stricter enforcement, Ramaphosa acknowledged the human consequences often linked to migration crackdowns, extending condolences to families affected by violence or fatalities arising in such context, and said we regret the injuries and deaths of those who have been caught up in these situations. We extend our condolences to their families. He said some African counterparts had gone further, openly expressing support for South Africa's approach. Some of them even say they even support what we are doing. Ramaphosa said government's broader focus remained on restoring law and order, tightening border and immigration controls, and ensuring that employment in South Africa complies with legal requirements. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.